Hello, this video will show you how to download and install PHP for a Windows 7 64-bit machine. This video will also show you how to configure Microsoft Internet Information Server version 7 to use PHP. So if you don't have Internet Information Server, or IIS for short, installed, that was covered in a previous video, so go ahead and look at that video and install the server, and then pick up from here. Okay, so to download PHP, we're going to open our web browser. We're going to go to www.php.net. So on the home page for PHP, we see a header at the very top that has several links. The very first link to the left, right here where my mouse cursor is the downloads link. So we're going to click that to go to the downloads web page. Okay, and since we're installing this on a Windows machine, we're going to want to use Windows binaries. So a little further down this page right here, you can see there's a Windows binary section, and it gives us a link, so we're going to click on that. And on the Windows binary download page, you see that there is a PHP 5.4 section and a PHP 5.3 section. We're going to go with PHP 5.3 because it has the option of a Windows installer, which will make it a lot easier for us to install and configure PHP. So we're going to choose the x86 non-thread safe installer, and we'll click on the link, and it should begin downloading. Okay, great. Now that it's finished downloading, we're not going to do anything with it right away. What we're going to do is we're going to configure IIS first to use PHP. So just leave that installer where it's at. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Start menu, go to Control Panels, and then under the Control Panels there should be a category called Programs. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on, under Programs and Features, there is a link that says Turn Windows Features On or Off. So we're going to click on that, and a little window should open up. Okay, so since we already have IIS installed on this machine, we can see that there's the IIS feature. We're going to expand the tree by clicking the little plus sign, and then there's 3 sections under that. And right there under World Wide Web Services, we're going to click on the little plus sign again to expand that feature further, and then choose the very first section under that, and we'll click the little plus sign again. Okay, and so there is a CGI feature that is unchecked. So I'm going to check that feature, and then hit OK. And it'll take a few moments to install this feature, so be patient. Okay, now that IIS is configured with the CGI feature, we're going to begin installation of PHP. So my web browser downloaded the installer to my downloads directory, so that's where I'm going to go. So I'm going to go to my downloads directory, and there's the installer. We'll double click, press Run, and then press Next. And then we get to a license agreement. You should probably read the license agreement, but we'll go ahead and click I accept, and then click Next. And we'll also leave this setting to its default setting. So we'll click Next again. So now this is where it was important to configure IIS before we began the installation process. So we're going to select the web server we wish to set up, which is our IIS server. So we'll click that, and then click Next, and then click Next again. And finally, press the Install button, and it'll begin installation. So that'll take several moments. Okay, so now PHP is installed, and we can press Finish and close out the installation program.